Hi, welcome to Derek Does. Today, we're going to be selling all this stuff and more. Hi, welcome back to another Derek Does. I'm Derek, and I appreciate you watching this. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Basically, I do a lot of vintage, cool guy stuff that maybe you're interested in. But today, I'm going to be talking about on derekdoes.com, which is my website, where I sell a couple of the things I show on the site. I have added a whole bunch of stuff and stuff you might be really interested in. So check it out. It's going to go live today when this video airs. I have a lot of denim. I've got leather and some other little trinkets here and there. I'm going to try to maybe add a few more things too as I go along. I'm just trying to get more stuff on there. And I've also lowered the prices on a lot of the previous stuff that was on there, a lot of the World War II jackets and stuff. So check that out, even though it's not really jacket season. You could probably get a good deal for when jacket season comes up. So I'm just going to kind of go over a little bit kind of what I'm showing. I'm going to have on the website. One thing is I went through my closet and I pulled out all my LVCs. And except for the ones that actually fit me, these are the ones, and my original ones, that are just a little too big for me. And I'm thinking, why do I still have these? I can't fit to them. Either I have to gain weight to wear them, which I don't want to do, or I could just sell them and send them off to someone else who can wear them. And maybe that's your size. So I'm going to be selling, and these are ones you've seen on the 55s, the 47s, the 44, and I have a special pair of Connors, one piece of rock I'm going to be selling, which was my original pair of Connors that is unfortunately too big for me. I now have this pair that fits me, and I'll be doing a video on that coming up because it's almost a year since I got them, and I have not washed them once, but it's getting close. So, but they're looking pretty sweet too, just from natural wear. So I'm going to be, that'll be a video coming up probably in the next month, and I'll probably give them a soak. Their first wash, and we'll see how they shrink up and how they fit and that sort of thing. So I'm a little worried about that just in case they don't fit. But this is some of the stuff I'm going to be selling. I've got a pair of 47s. This is the LVCs, and these are in the 36, 34. Now the sizes might vary a little bit from what the tag size is, just from shrinkage or stretching and that sort of thing over the years. But that pair is going to be going up. This is a pair of 55s. This is one of my originals. And this is a San Francisco 555 button. These are all cone denim. And this is a pair of 55s. And I think it's like a 38, which they don't even make anymore. But back then they did. And then I have a pair, these are another pair, I think, of 55s or 47s. I can't remember. In a 36. Got those pair. All the pictures and everything will be on derekdoes.com. So check that out. Go through it. See if there's anything you really like. And let me know. You can order direct. Right now, it's just for U.S. selling. If you have a proxy, they can do that too. I just don't have it set up for international because it's more complicated to set that up. And it's just easier this way. And then this is the pair of the 44s with the painted on arcolets there. And then I also have kind of the big thing. I have a pair of Connors in the original box. Connors are numbered. This is a pair of 47. And this is number 1795. These were from, I think, 2019. So this pair is going to go up. And it comes with the box, of course, the original pocket tag. And then I don't know if they do this anymore, but back then they did kind of a laminated Levi backplate and then pictures of all the machines that they use, which is kind of cool for their machines that they use on the Connors sewing, because that's the whole point of Connors, or one piece of rock, however you want to look at that. So that's going up. I'm also going to be selling my triggers. I was going through my boots. I've got a lot of boots, as you've seen, and I just don't wear them as much as I should. And right now they're just kind of closet queens, as they say. But I have a pair of triggers that are going to be going up there. I also have a pair, I'm not sure how to pronounce them. Is it Reifel. It's out of Switzerland. This is just a pair of really cool hiking boots. These are made in Switzerland, super heavy duty. They probably weigh 6-7 pounds. They don't make these anymore. I think the company went out of business in the end of the 90s. But it's a nice pair. It's used. It's beat up. But if you're looking for a pair of used beat up boots and you want to look cool, these are the pair. And also if you're a size 12 and a half. So it's a big size. I also have, this is kind of cool. I picked this up. A video on it. I don't know. This is a Buco International. This is a helmet, 1968. It will need new foam on the inside because it's just deteriorated. The fabric around it's still good, but the foam itself inside has deteriorated and would need to be redone. Or if you just want to put it on the shelf as a cool man cave thing, it's pretty cool. And I love this. It's got that red metallic speckle paint, which is cool. Another thing I'm going to be having up there, I'm going to be selling my A2, my original A2. This is an Aero. This is a size 46. I have another Aero A2 that you've seen on the videos, and it's a size 42 that fits me a little bit better. But this used to fit me. I bought this at the end of the 90s, I believe. So it is a good 25 years old or so. Maybe a little less, but around that. This is their anniversary model of the A2. It's a horse hide, size 46. It's a really great size. It's great shape. It's got some really good wear on it, but it's not like worn away. A couple moth nips here and there, just because it's old. And it has a 77th Fighter Squadron on it. That's from Aero also. But it's in really good shape, and that is be going up. Plus a whole bunch of other stuff, just some interesting items. I'm putting them up on the website. Again, derekdoes.com. Check it out. All the jeans are going to be there, the jacket, the boots, and I'll keep going through my closet a little bit and get rid of some stuff. It's just, I have too much stuff, and I can't wear it, so maybe you can. So check it out. I think you're going to enjoy it. Sorry for the short video, but I think it's going to be good if you're into this sort of thing. Check it out. And if anything you're really interested in, send me an email to who knows. And so that's it, I guess, on this video. It's just letting you know about the derekdoes.com sale, I guess you would say, a denim and leather sale. So check it out, derekdoes.com. If you're new to this channel, again, please subscribe. I really appreciate all of my subscribers. It's building slowly, it really is. And it's kind of fun. So I will see you on the next Derek Does.